In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm on Walmart. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is either go to the Affirm website as I'm doing here at www.affirm.com or open up the Affirm app on your phone. Regardless of if you're doing this on a web browser like me or through the mobile app, the process is exactly the same. First, using the search function at the top of the screen, look for Walmart. It should be the only and the first option to pop up. Simply choose Shop Now at the bottom. You will be immediately redirected to the Walmart website. In here, as long as you were redirected to the Walmart website through Affirm, you will be able to browse through all the items and add them to your cart. After you are satisfied and you found what you want to buy, open up your cart. On the checkout page, like I said, as long as you were redirected through Affirm, you will be able to find underneath the payment methods, pay in monthly installments with Affirm. As you can see, the items I have on my cart at the moment are not eligible. But as long as you have eligible items to be paid with Affirm, you will be able to click this option and confirm your address and mobile phone number to properly conclude the payment. Like I said, you will be able to browse through any of the items available on Walmart, and as long as they fall under the eligibility to be paid with Affirm, you will be able to complete your purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm on Walmart. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.